It's like 7. The earliest I've been up in a long time. I ain't got no flight. I ain't up this early, bro. And I ain't even going nowhere in a minute. I'm finna go get my homie. Then we finna go work out after school. But now though, y'all, we at 99 subscribers, bro. We almost there. We just gotta keep working. Whoa, 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 whoa. He got a gun. He got another pill. Michael Jones a bitch. I smack his bitch ass on the phone grade. On the phone grade.
Figure me out.
They dropped his beat, bro.
Damn. I'm doing dumb shit all your fucking life.
And you right, bro. I love you for that, boy.
Damn.
He's so stupid, bro.
Nice and warm.
Not a big lock. I'm getting in that bitch and staying nice and warm.
Man, they grabbing their coats and shit. I would have grabbed my coat.
Uh-oh, they gonna be good.
Are you? Would have been dead. I know people.
They just oh shit.
So would know.
Uh-oh, put a live part 2.
Dang, what y'all want? I'll be fucking these hoes, you know. Hey, all these hoes, these niggas.
Oh my god.
I edit it out, bro.
You mess with him.
Swings while the roll your candles out, snotty nose, make a wish. Happy birthday, me, how the fuck I get exposed? Nigga, I'm rich as shit. Phone out, GRO.
Oh, hold up. I'm fucking man, nigga. Nah. I got robbed blind, bro. Literally. So let me tell y'all what happened. I was supposed to get a tattoo today. No, somebody referred this dude. They referred me to him. So I'm like, alright. He did like 3 people tattoos, I know. Alright. Then today I finally texted him. I'm like, alright, let me go ahead and get this tattoo out the way. Then he texting back quick. He texting back all quick and all that, dropping low and all that. Then he said, send me a down payment. The down payment was only $20, so I ain't really tripping. He said, send me a down payment, 20. Then I was already thinking like, it's kind of sketchy, because why am I sending you $20, bro? Then I asked my homie, I'm like, did you send him some money before he did your tattoo? He's like, yeah, he sent him 15. Go ahead. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take your word. So I sent the 20. Then it get to after school. I could have went to practice and all, bro. It get to after school. Me and my homie, we drive all the way where he stay. I should have dropped his low over here. But man, but no, we pulled up and we sitting out there for like an hour, blowing up his phone. We texting him. We telling all motherfuckers text him and all type of stuff. So he ain't answer, bro. So basically, he got $20. He got down for $20 on me, bro. I ain't tripping, but it's the principle, bro. I ain't mad. It's like, bro, that's $20. That's $20 I sent you. I got on his ass. I texted him. I got on his ass. He ain't text back, though. But I hope y'all had a good day. My day was decent. I'm gonna go ahead, edit this video. Then I'm trying to find something to watch. I'm trying to find something to react to. Ain't nothing like what's going on? Ain't nothing happening, bro. Literally, ain't nothing going on. Ain't no music dropping, nothing. I'm a island boy. Ronaldo. And this vlog right now. Ian. We reached 100 subscribers in 1 month. We reached 100 subscribers in 1 month, bro. Like, come on, bro. All you gotta do is put the time in. You gotta put the time in. You gotta put the grind in. And hey, it's gonna come to you. But love y'all. Share my channel. Not like 100 subscribers was a milestone. Now we on our way to 500. 500 the next milestone, bro. And but like, subscribe, share my channel. Tell a cousin, tell a cousin, tell a auntie to go check me out. Subscribe.
Complacent on that bitch. Yeah, I complain, can't complain. This a plain Jane. Yeah, it's a bird, it's a plane. Big bad dough swing. Big